And did the sessions help you with pregnancy discomforts like back pain, pelvic heaviness that you had?
100%. I have not used any back belt or move Volini and all from past 4 weeks now, which is great because during the last trimester it starts happening a lot more often than your previous trimesters, the back pain especially. So if I'm not using anything for that and it's just helping me with yoga, I mean, there has to be something to it, right? Yoga is definitely helping me with that.
How did the practices affect you emotionally?
Yeah, I feel a lot more calmer, and in general, the irritation part has got controlled a lot. Like meditation helps with that because sometimes you get irritated on even on small things. But now I just deep breathe. Whenever I feel like I'm agitated, I just deep breathe. So it definitely helped me. Yeah.